This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in with an administrator account so Windows lets you change biometrics. Once signed in, open Settings, choose Accounts, then Sign in Options and scroll to Windows Hello Fingerprint. Make sure the fingerprint sensor is clean and your hands are dry. Dust or moisture causes failures. While you're in the menu, pause to remove any existing fingerprint entries if present. This clears conflicts. You're now positioned to reconfigure the sensor. Proceed to enroll or reset the lock. You will remove old data, then create a fresh fingerprint template so recognition improves. Once you tap Remove on any stored fingerprints, select Setup or Add a fingerprint and follow the wizard prompts. Press the sensor repeatedly, changing finger position and angle each time so the system collects diverse samples. This reduces false rejects. Make sure your PIN is ready because Windows may ask to verify identity mid-process. After completion, test lock and unlock to confirm reliability. You finish by testing several lock and unlock cycles to ensure consistency. Try cold starts and wake from sleep. If the sensor is flaky, make sure Windows Update and Asus biometric drivers are current, then reinstall the fingerprint driver via Device Manager if needed. Once done, re-enroll fingerprints using varied angles. If problems persist, remove all templates, restart, reinstall the driver, and re-enroll. This reset often fixes corrupted templates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.